want them to say you, your salon. You did this. When can I make an appointment with whomever did this look? The attitude, the relativity of haute couture and coiffure moving together with the elegance of hair that we've never seen before. Hair that's there, hair that moves, hair that's soft to the touch, even though it's molded. And it's given what we're doing, we are artists, so we are taking a mold and we are creating a look and style. So if you will, if you please, won't you put your hands together for a beautiful, beautiful wave of hair and dancing with both together. And we're going to have the music up just a little bit. I want you just to walk the room and I'll tell you when to come off. You'll follow me. Just walk the room and just do it like you can do it.